到啊到啊。
Choi Sawa knows that it is never too early to shop for the inevitable.
有冇繡花鞋啊？我即係做咗咧就繡鞋嚟嘅，即係瞓覺着嘅繡鞋啊。
繡鞋啊？
哦，唔係啊，我有嗰啲嗰啲花唔錯喎。
Faced with the prospect of high funeral costs in Hong Kong, it is not uncommon for pensioners like Sawa to save up for coffin capital. Coffin capital is savings put aside to pay for funeral arrangements and ensure for comfort in the afterlife.
我啲繡花鞋咧就72，即係瞓覺着嘅最少有74、75啦。
咁係呢啲喎。
It also means a rare chance for the likes of Sawa to indulge themselves for one final time.
呢件衫靚啊嘅，梗係貪靚啦！我後生時嘅未着過嗰啲花花綠綠㗎，一黑嘅，一藍嘅，一白嘅，紅紅綠綠冇着過，所以而家一定要着紅紅綠綠。呢度大概48，嚇，48係咪48？差唔多50。唔肥啊？應該係肥咗，冇符㗎。而家我把佢貨啊，乜都食，或者佢死啊，或者係即刻死我都冇所謂。
幾380好丁啲
？380、350咧，350咧，我都平時同你講多都無謂，食多又滯。
Hong Kong has always been proud of its reputation as the shopper's paradise in Asia. But for customers shopping for death, it is far from heaven. Hong Kong is not a cheap place to die. An average funeral package can set one back by at least 40,000 Hong Kong dollars, more than 5,000 US dollars. Yet those who can afford it can even have a personal shopper to lighten their burden in their time of grief. For a fee, funeral agents like Ben will take on all the arrangements and errands needed to send your loved one on to their final journey.
3星嗰度幾多錢㗎？有咩花㗎可以？
呢啲係3星。
呢幾錢啊？執好啲啊！
一定會㗎，你放心啦。
With more than 500 funeral agents competing in an economic downturn, businessmen like Ben are struggling to accommodate the shrinking budgets of their clients and still satisfying the last wishes of their loved ones.
最多人咧60%啊，都用呢隻經濟啲嘅。
The first decision Ben advises his clients on is to choose between the more expensive burial option or the more economical cremation package.
有啲人嘅心理就係話，我都係燒嘅啫嘛，李生。即係呢啲幾樣，所以佢大陸一對多人，如果話使加少少錢都係呢樣仲多，因為呢啲咧佢覺得都係我燒嘅啫嘛，燒完都冇。中式咧其實就係吸咗佢咗啲木啫嘛，柳州木啊，咩有啲話柳州青啲木最靚啊咁樣，係啲木嘅質問題，或者木嘅香味嘅中國人咧，整聞到棺材香啊咁解啦。我心理上咯，覺得靚嘅棺木佢就會好啲。呢張係幾張床嚟嘅，覺得呢張床舒服啲，永遠瞓啲唔起身嘅，咁啊買貴啲。
The 75-year-old Choi Sawa has no family in Hong Kong. She lives by herself in this public housing estate.
嗰啲咪我3代咯，嗰個孫啦、仔啦、我咯。
Her only son migrated to Germany some time ago. Sawa has kept herself occupied with the task of making preparations for her own funeral.
1000蚊都唔使，平啊！我諗住有3、4千蚊㗎。但係瞓喺度就咁樣着嗰啲啦。嗱，呢啲底衫底褲咯。嗱，呢啲斗篷咯。即係嗰啲殯儀館同你搞嘅嗰啲唔好嘅，好單料嘅啫。夠晒靚㗎啦啩！
For those not so suited to making drastic shopping choices alone, Ben is the man for the job. He's been hired by Miss So, whose father just passed away in an accident. Miss So has chosen a modest funeral package at 35,000 Hong Kong dollars, about 4,500 US dollars. Now Ben's task is to shop for the necessary items within the budget.
冇㗎啦，蚊 size 2800啫，係我六卷。你唔係你幫啲買2800啫，我哋攞緊唔使。咁獸醫都陪住佢㗎啦，有人就梗係做啲靚啲嘅啦，係咪先啊？
The shopping list of items needed for a Chinese funeral is long. As a first-time shopper, Miss So has to rely on Ben's expertise to guide her through.
你嗰個價錢有一套嘅紙仔喺度，都會喺陣間嗰度。係睇到。嗱，嗰度紙仔咧有樓啦，有呢啲叫夾萬，中式夾萬。唔係，其實諗到咩做到㗎嚟㗎？而家做紙仔咧乜都做到。係啊，電腦啊，手提電話啊，啲乜都做到㗎啦。嗱，啲特別啲嘅輪椅啦，豬肉籠啦，個老人家有冇玩雀㗎？
可能佢哋會想整隻狗啊咁樣咯，因為佢都養
得
都得㗎，係咪都
得？問下整幾多尺？
我計高度計
高度價錢㗎，你通常我哋訂5尺，你要1000零蚊到咯，1000零蚊到。中國嘅文化係辦白事咧，傳統落嚟都話要燒花紙就俾啲先人，落咗下邊咧係另一個世界，佢生前所要享用嘅嘢咧，佢如果能夠得嗰種，希望下邊咧都可以享用翻晒。
For those who can afford it, life in the afterworld can promise to be a smooth ride.
The train for Lo Wu is approaching. Please stand behind the yellow line.
Another day, another task. Sawa is calling upon an old friend for some advice and company.
黃姑娘喺邊㗎？ 誒唔該你，
喂坐啊，點啊？又有信睇啊？
唉，
你個孫都好乖啊，成日都寄信俾你，都有講低話，即係如果你有咩事嗰陣時，都有晒你啲仔女啲資料喺度啊。咁即係有咩事就可以打過去啊，咁樣樣。
如果長路電話喺度嘅。
係啊。嗰時好似我聽韓姑娘講，你都搞掂晒啲獸醫啊嗰啲嘢㗎咯喎。
而家搞掂晒啦。
哦，嗰時你自己決定買馮盈先館㗎嚇。
即係嗰度有明星啊嘛，鄧碧雲啦，邊個
有盤係咪？我都覺得你好少老人家好似你咁咧，幫自己安排晒，即係可以好安心咁樣樣。
我話總而言之咧，你要燒啲錢俾我啊，你唔俾我食唔緊要啊。我有錢使㗎。係天主教㗎啦，第時唔燒錢俾你咁點啊？金銀衣紙嗰邊唔知咯。 咁你可能要寫封信過去問一問佢。如果唔係，可能我哋中心都要幫手買呢啲嘢。係咁啊，多謝先。
With the encouragement from her social welfare counsellor, Sawa is determined to stretch her modest coffin capital a long way into the afterlife.
邊啊？呢啲係未切，呢啲係切咗。有冇大塊啲冇啊？40嚇，40。你要幾多嚿啊？我一個先，一個唔到啊。
收你239啊！俾個好意頭你。
啊好啊好啊。海芋頭白最好嘅海芋頭啊，發啊嘛。 唔係得閒就做咯，得閒就做咯，冇話幾多個，冇話我啲鄉里話唔知值幾多啊，死佬佢開當鋪啊。我啲鄉下咧就有英間銀行嘅，可以開戶口嘅，即係你第日落咗去咧，即係冇人燒俾我都要錢使啊嘛。 咧有錢存落去，梗係咧，即係好似生人一樣啫嘛，銀有錢又唔同啊，冇錢好似而家兩手空空咁樣啊。
Death is an expensive business in Hong Kong. The more you spend, the more face you save. For most Chinese, an elaborate funeral is their last chance to uphold the family reputation.
嗱，同埋咁啊好新淨啊！
係啊，
係啊，而家多人用咗㗎啦，喺個地下嘅禮堂啊。
Because of crowded living conditions in Hong Kong, it is impossible to hold funeral wakes at home. Ben's job is to match the right size hall at the funeral parlour to his client's budget, while still maintaining face.
上帝又會咁樣擺啦，拜神就呢啲祭品啦，咁我哋會嗰個費用包埋。
即係呢啲包埋晒㗎。
包埋晒㗎啦，係啊。
但係如果呢啲咁樣點計啊？
呢啲屬於細嘅房，呢啲幾千蚊嘅啫。係啦，你要諗啦，大殮嗰陣時多人嘅，如果20-30日企滿咗，又會逼啲嘅。
係啊，應該會細。
你屋企人都你兄弟姊妹哦，咁應該唔夠啦。係咯，應該可以睇大啲嘅。
佢有啲大啲嘅係嘛？
有啲大啲，有啲50-60人咯。就下一層樓。
Miss So has finally settled for a medium-sized hall for her father's funeral. Now, other equally important decisions have to be made with regards to the more traditional funeral rites.
我諗喺老人家立場，梗係希望能夠盡量做足啦。即係我哋後生其實就冇乜所謂，但係老人即係我哋係做呢樣嘢都係求個老人家安心啫嘛。咁如果佢想做足啲，咁我哋咪盡量做足啲咯。
Traditional Taoist funeral rituals are still popularly observed in Hong Kong. One such ritual is the hell-breaking ceremony performed by Taoist priests. It is believed that tortured souls can be cleared of their sins and can break free from the torments of hell through this prayer ceremony. The grander the scale of the ritual, the greater the chances of the soul being helped. The greater also the opportunity for the family to show their piety and to save face.
通常咧，我哋就普通大齋就5種1字嘅啫。咁有啲主家話我需要多啲得唔得㗎？我話呢多啲咧就做個大齋，8個師傅，咁做嘅重點係耐啲咁樣。咁重點落去梗係人多梗係好啲㗎啦。
使㗎啦！我啲做人咧要講實際，唔好話講虛榮。佢啲打齋啊咩嘢啊，佢着住佢個身，同我打齋又好咩？打齋俾我又咁歡迎，我同我啲仔女都係咁講。
Several years ago, Sawa held a small ritual at this Taoist temple to mark the anniversary of her mother's death. She also decided this is to be her future resting place. Much of her coffin capital has been used up to pay for reserving a niche in this temple. It is well worth the price, since she'll also get to spend eternity with her favourite actress.
早晨，你知唔知咧？阿鄧碧雲喺邊啊？鄧碧雲喺邊啊？你嗰個啊喺度，唉，碧姐早啲話俾我聽啊嘛，唉，冇噶啦，我一去啊，佢哋唔會翻噶啦，咁啊唔係成年都冇得食。嚇！你咁樣喺度咧，唔會抵到我嘅。嗰時我仔都唔同意㗎，喂，擺到屋企，我話邊度屋企係我㗎？我屋企咪你屋企啊！ 啊，我係要去德國啊！654 1627唔喺呢度，唔喺嗰邊，揾唔到，應該喺嗰邊，唔喺呢度，應該喺嗰度㗎。哎呀！鄰居啊嘛，即係如果要大家食啊嘛，咁啊人哋我大日去咗，人哋嚟裝香又係咁啦。好啦，大日唔知幾時咧同你哋做鄰居啦。
Ben has several more items to strike off his shopping list.
我呢就工場。呢啲係師傅做嘅。
係啊，都係師傅作㗎。呢啲2000蚊樓下咯。嚇。
不過我發覺近年咧係咪時代變咗咧？好多都。
In Hong Kong, the cost of death is as equally high as the cost of living. Niches may be more cramped, but leasing them is definitely more affordable than burial rates. Available cemetery plots are hard to come by in Hong Kong and cost as much as $37,000, an amount higher than the average down payment for an apartment. This leaves cremation as the preferred option for most. With all preparations completed, the funeral is underway for Ben's client. The family has their final moments to grieve for the late Mr. So.
一個躬，再個躬，三個躬，家屬謝禮，非常有心各位親友請站立一旁，企埋一邊，執齊所有私人。
啲親戚朋友啊，即係個個都好俾面咯。同埋呢個兩個議員咧，佢已經封咗白金俾我㗎啦嗰日啦。佢而家又做2個花牌，即係算係咁啦，係咪先？一個鄉下佬啫喎。都幾廿年夫婦，幾廿年夫妻，咁咧你話講就話人咧就梗會死啊，係嘛？咁但係突一聲咧，就都覺得係好心噏咯，我覺得啊。
It comforts the family to know that Mr. So has been well provided for.
媽呀，知唔知啊？睇實主人啊嚇，同主人玩啊嚇，就好似同一間屋。
有啊，喺下邊。係啦，擺到下邊㗎啦。搞咗之前經濟好啲嗰啲，我試過有個主家燒10個工人俾佢。燒呢隻俗稱嘅燒銀紙，其實每一行都係㗎啦。你經濟唔好咧，有啲心態都係一個儀式啫嘛。話真係，我做咗心安理得，剩咗咧，佢真係用唔用到，收唔收到，冇人知嘅。所以如果而家經濟唔好咧，佢仲係覺得做咗標準，心安理得就算數㗎啦。
With her shopping list almost complete, Sawa has the last few details to attend to.
自己有影定㗎，影定第日話我要呢張做車頭相㗎。係啊，因為咪相唔係咁多，你啱心，你啱你心水嘅喎。我同埋你認為自己係最好嘅一面，嗰張相係最好嘅。有好多嘢都可以預算咗，但係生死預算唔到。我而家可能企喺度好健康，或者我而家可能好用政府話，可能聽日你都見唔到我，因為我掌握唔到生命。我做咗呢行，我覺得生命係掌握唔到，掌握唔到自己手中啊。雖然我唔識呢個先人，但我都會用感情去做，因為佢最後一程，佢啲後人交託俾你去辦，應該用個心去幫佢辦好。因為做呢啲嘢係做一次嘅啫喎，唔可以做成個 take two 嚟過喎。
係。菇膠。哇！幾多錢啊？呢個？乜跟年啫嘛？啊，得啦。得啦。啊，好。切咗先。嗯。呢張相咪好笑咯。即係諗住咧，留翻個好形象俾啲孫啊嘛。係咪啊？都係麻麻地啫，好似唔係幾開心咁樣嘅，係咪啊？好似唔係幾開心咁樣啊？應該你好似而家咁樣啊，就好啊嘛。
咦，好靚喎！你哋啊，望住放鬆啲，微微笑，睇你哋。